No basic zone.
This is Stushy, English girl Stushy, back with another video. If you are new, then hey boo, my name is Stushy. Be sure to go ahead and subscribe down below to join the Stush gang, and also ring that bell so that way you don't miss out on any of my future uploads. And if you're a returning subscriber, if you're already part of the Stush gang, welcome back, y'all. You guys know I'm always happy to have you guys back to check out a brand new video. You guys already read the title of today's video. This is going to be a sunglasses lookbook slash try on, showing you guys basically my entire sunglasses collection. I recently picked up a sunglasses organizer from Amazon. You guys know I stay on Amazon, and it holds 6 sunglasses, but I was able to put 9 sunglasses in there. Some of them are a little bit smaller, so I was able to put 2 in one slot. So this is what it looks like, and I also put 3 more at the top, so this actually holds 11. I only paid, I think, $13 or $12 for this on Amazon. I'll leave it linked down below if you were looking for a way to store your sunglasses. I just had mine in like a makeup brush holder, but I wanted a neater way, a cuter way to store them, so I went ahead and picked this up on Amazon, and it is super cute. It has these cute acrylic pull-out drawers, and there are 3 different slots in each drawer, so it holds 6 as I mentioned. I was able to hold 9, and it also has this little fun tray at the top, so I put some extra glasses up here. So all in all, I have 11 shades in this and on top of this. I like the fact that it has these cute little knobs on here, so it's easy for me to go ahead and pull each drawer out. So with that being said, I did mention it in one of my old videos. It had to be like at least 10 videos ago. I thought that it would be pretty cool if I did a sunglasses haul or sunglasses try on, showing you guys my entire sunglasses collection. So here we are. That's what today's video is going to be about. Quick note, some of these sunglasses are hella old. I'm not gonna lie to y'all. Like, some of them are maybe even 4 or 5 years old. So if I could find some of them, I'll leave them linked down below. So be sure to check my description box, because I'll put everything down below. And my Amazon shop is also down below, where you can find this acrylic organizer. If you have been looking for something to stow away some of your sunglasses or some of your eyeglasses. So some of the links down below may also be affiliate links. So I do have to let you guys know that I do receive a tiny small mini commission from some of these links. So I do have to put that out there so you guys know. So if you're interested in seeing all of my sunglasses, then stay tuned. We're about to dive right into it. Okay guys, so those are all of my sunglasses. I do have another pair, but they are prescribed, so I didn't want to include them in this video. So I hope you guys really enjoyed today's video. If some of the glasses are still available, I'll leave some links down below if I can find some of them for you guys. Some of them are very old, so I'm sorry. I will try to look for them. With that being said, if you did enjoy today's video, be sure to leave me a big thumbs up so that way I know you guys enjoyed it, and that way I can continue to create more lookbooks, more videos like this for you guys. If you've made it to this portion of this video, go ahead and comment down below a sunglasses or a glasses emoji in the comments so that way I know you've made it to this portion of the video. If you haven't already subscribed to join the Stush Gang, be sure to hit that subscribe button down below so that way you can officially become a part of the Stush Gang, and also ring the bell that's right next to the subscribe button so that way you don't miss out on any of my future uploads. And until next time, until next upload, until next post, until next video, I'll see you guys all later. Bye guys.